Or do you want a couple ones with me? Okay.
Little tree in his way.
Over here you can really see.
Dan, do you want to move over?
You know, it's hard in his wheelchair to like get high enough to. Can you see it better there? No. Oh, I should have showed that. I have video of the 4th of July at the Washington Monument. It's good fireworks. That was crazy.
I'm videotaping this.
That looks cool.
Mm-hmm.
The blue is cool. Look at that, Andy.
Tom. You're silly.
Okay.
They need to cut down that tree.
It's not my tree. That's the park's tree. It's on the other side of the fence.
I think this year they're more over to the left than usual.
Weren't they more that way like this?
Didn't they shoot him
Hey,
for soccer?
Christian,
games
can you
or
get out of the way?
Yeah.
If you need to shoot better.
Shooting them from.
Either somebody's yard or it might be the.
That park is huge.
But it's over the trees. Like past the park.
No, that park goes back there. There's like a pond and everything.
It goes back that way. To the left. Not that way. Somebody's yard.
That's more of them, right, Brad? We might see more later, right? We might see another fireworks too, right, Brad?
I wonder if it's longer than last year. I will miss this.
You might do fireworks there too.
I don't think we'll get to see it.
There's more.
See him from my yard, I know.
Guys to give it to Brian.
I told her.
No, I.
No, I let her keep the 5, whatever the hell it was. She had one more
At least we'll meet you.
Yeah, me too.
Whoa.
I keep telling myself, you know, I like the outfit.
That was a bang. There we
That was
go.
cool. It looks like a shooting star.
Here we go.
Ooh, that was a cool one.
Oh,
Wow!
Grandpa.
There we go.
Whoa!
That was loud too.
Ooh. Ah.
Jack.
He's looking in his bed. Daddy, honey. Haley.
Fireworks. Fireworks.
Who's a baby? That's your baby.
What are they? What are
Fireworks.
they? Good job.
Boom.
You warm enough?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Ooh.
That was loud. We're gonna hear a big. There we go.
Takes a minute for the sound of the firework to reach us.
Here we go.
Hurt my eye.
They're gonna get louder and louder.
Louder and louder. Oh no. Those are pretty cool.
There we go. Oh, really nice. Oh, yeah. Ooh, oh, ooh.
I'm gonna post this video. Just now. It probably picked up on everything. I don't care. This is gonna be fun.
Why is there a car flying in the sky?
It's your imagination there, Donald.
Why is there a car flying?
Was it the Back to the Future car?
Flying up
See it,
there?
Brad?
It does look like a car. It's a drone though, you see it?
Wow, Brad.
What is it, Andrew?
Where is this car coming from?
Andrew, I think a plane is going right through the fireworks.
There's that car.
It's gonna crash.
The car is.
Oh, hard.
It's probably a police drone. Probably a police
Whoever
drone.
it is an idiot.
It's pretty low.
What is it doing?
It doesn't look like a commercial one.
Reloading, reloading.
There's a car.
The car.
I love you, Andrew.
There's a car in the sky. Why is there a car flying? Red car. There's a car coming up.
You see it?
Yeah.
Well, pay attention to the firework.
Plane.
Maybe it is a plane.
Right in their fireworks. The plane right in their fireworks.
That's a plane?
Yeah, it's fine.
Right in their fireworks.
Didn't they block air traffic over here?
They should have.
Obviously someone didn't want to listen.
They gonna break the house. They gonna break my window. That's 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 gonna break my window. Remount. That's gonna break my house window. That's gonna break
Interesting.
my room window.
And this is we on Facebook.
Oh, my window just broke. That's gonna be all. Window in the garage is gonna break. Someone's else is gonna break right now. That's gonna ruin that window. Sounds like it's something breaking, right? Something's breaking. Oh! It almost shattered my house. Brand, it almost shattered my house. There's glass in there. That's gonna break. Oh, my window garage doesn't break. Hope a light bulb doesn't break.
11 minutes.
What, the fireworks been 11 minutes? I wonder how long they're gonna last this year.
I forget how long last year was.
15 days last year.
I have it on video.
They probably did it for the 2002.
Here we go.
Oh, look at that.
Is this the station for the fireworks? Or no?
No, I couldn't pick it up. I tried.
Oh, it works out. Excuse me?
I really don't. Here. Hey, party boy.
Oh, it's alright. I don't like the boom booms. We can still get boom booms.
Almost done.
I'm good. Sorry.
They're almost done, Mom.
Okay.
They're almost done. They're almost done. They're almost done, Mom.
12 minutes. It's not almost done.
I'm thinking they might last longer than 15.
Yeah.
And we're only at the 13 mark.
Ooh.
David. David. Up the door. Here.
That's too much.
You don't need that.
Those are my favorite.
There we go. Wow.
We're coming close. Not a commentary.
right now. Torping. That's gonna wake up the cats up.
I'm probably mad.
They're gonna wake up my cats
Am
up.
I friends with you on Facebook?
My cat's gonna wake up.
Someone just posted on this
He's
Helen
gonna wake up.
thing. Said, don't
He's
you hear
gonna,
those fire
he's
things?"
gonna run away in my room again. Brad. He's scared right now.
Good or not?
They don't like it.
I don't think so.
Cubans does not like
Okay.
it. Right? It scares him.
This will surely be interesting.
Make
be on-
sure it's okay.
Yeah. And everyone is gonna see it.
Being crazy
All of
back
my
there,
friends
right?
on Facebook will see it and hear them.
Fighting. Is there a cat fighting there?
Is that a cat fighting up there or something?
Yeah, in my room. They're fighting.
16 minutes.
They're fighting in my room right now. Cat.
Maybe it's half hour. So.
Hear them? Attacking.
There's a lot of fireworks. So.
They're just
Hopefully it's
attacking
not
each
too
other
long
right
so
now.
I can post it.
Cat fight. Mom, there might be a cat fight in there. Let's see.
Might be 30 minutes. Might be a long one.
Yeah.
Fighting each other.
If it's too
Or
Facebook
flying
won't let
into
me.
each other.
Ooh, that's all the stars. It's cool.
They're probably hissing at each other.
It's coming.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
They're just being in the room right now.
Boom.
People. Just staring at me. Oh my God. Oh.
Big. Still no big finale.
Wow.
Nothing.
Wow!
Keep saying that.
Oh, ooh,
Ooh, wow!
ooh, ah.
Facebook will be interesting. We're at 19 minutes.
You're saying.
Ooh, oh, ooh, oh.
Ooh. Ah.
Ooh, ah.
Ah.
Mommy, I just got a firework thing. They go,
Woohoo.
I don't know what she
I make that sound.
Oh.
Firework things?
The sound.
I can hear you.
Those things are loud. See those big firework boxes? Inside them? Light them up with those big, those lighters, light them up. These will go flying up there on the sky. That's a lot of dust. smoke.
21 minutes. Actually going to 22 minutes here. Real soon. You'll never guess how long.
It's probably gonna be like 30 minutes. I'm guessing.
Oh yeah, 22.
Yeah, I'm guessing it's gonna be that.
Ain't nobody can sleep tonight. Yeah, no one's getting sleep. I'm gonna have to post this on YouTube. Yeah, no one's definitely getting sleep right now. Nobody gives you sleep. Hey,
That's gonna make a fireworks smoke. They're gonna clean those up after they're done, right? They're gonna clean them up for smoke, right, Brad?
Wait.
ooh, you can feel that one.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa!
Yeah, wow!
Wow!
Yeah!
Yeah! That's right.
Woohoo!
Brad, you see that?
You see that, Brad?
I did.
Yeah, break the window.
Was that the grand finale?
Yep, that was it.
Andrew, you like that?
Took us 26 minutes.
Like them apples?
I got you.
It is 25 minutes.
Time for s'mores.
More.
Time for s'mores.
Love s'mores.
What was it, Andrew? That was recording. He said.
Oh, I recorded the whole thing.
Better
Are you still recording?
this year or last year?
Oh my god, let me see
Is that
hi.
good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
I don't want
That's
that.
the only thing I'm gonna miss.
What was that?
We gotta light the thing.
I don't want those.
S'mores.
No, you're always volunteer.
We're having s'mores?
Hey, Coco.
We gotta do s'mores.
Excuse me.
Why the power goes out?
I haven't stopped my video yet. But here's
It
Coco's
doesn't
phone.
matter, I have a generator.
Oh, here.
Why does our house go out when we have no power?
Well, then you'll have to come over here. Andrew, you'll have to come over here because I'll have power.
What do we have when you didn't have? Well, our home was
Let's see if I can get this
He's a
going.
generator.
I gotta get this on video.
Good.
Right does.
I think we want to get a generator.
Power will go out.
Like just to run the refrigerator heat or something.
Might be a little down the road though.
Mom's having trouble.
Out there, they neglect the country people.
Mom gets
They're
scared.
usually the last thing.
You
Oh,
Get
I
the
put your
stone.
phone by Terry's phone.
Gotta get
Yeah,
going.
Where's the graham cracker?
They're on the table.
And the chocolate is in the fridge.
I got it.
And the marshmallow.
Yep, she grabbed it.
That fire is gonna smell like you get so like a fire.
Gotta get this going.
You're sleeping like it.
What is it you're putting on there?
We're gonna make s'mores.
I was asking for fire.
We're gonna see if we can get these logs going.
Spank him. Spank.
Spank them.
Spank him. If you're still recording, stop recording.
I am. And it's going to go on my Facebook.
You think that's funny, Andrew?
Hey, I know nothing about s'mores.
Okay, here, I'll come with you.
What was that? Andrew said.
I'm a s'more professional.
Oh, well, is it open? Okay. Do you have a stick?
You have sticks?
Yeah, we have sticks.
Oh,
Hey, look at, I got everything.
Yeah.
I just don't know what to do with them.
Yeah.
Car shows. Here, Grandma.
It got to 25.
You're gonna run out of data.
Oh, I'm not.
Oh, they go out.
I'm not.
Can you even post that? Because it's like 25 minutes.
Oh, I probably am going to post it.
I mean, can you even though?
Oh, if I can't post it on Facebook, I'm going to post it on YouTube. Oh, and everyone
And
who,
sometimes on Facebook, if it's like over 20 minutes, it will do like
yeah, and
that's the last piece. Is that like 2 years ago?
everyone can hear us conversate.
Andrew, you want to say something?
The funniest.
yeah, that was
There.
What colors are
Yeah.
there?
They go out.
Black,
saw Andrew
red,
in the
orange, and
video.
yellow.
I'll take orange.
That, ooh,
Yeah,
oh.
boo.
These are nice.
I'm coming to get you. I'm going to get you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I gotta show Grandpa. I gotta show Grandpa.
Yeah.
Where's Grandpa?
Do you want a stick too?
I'm not going to have any.
Here,
Alright,
give me one for
I'm
Grandpa.
full.
Grandpa, I'm gonna teach you.
Andrew, do you want one?
Gotta teach me
I'm gonna teach you.
how to make the s'mores
Andrew wants
Well,
to do a
Jeff
marshmallow?
different.
Yeah.
You want to do it yourself, Andrew?
Yeah.
Oh my God, there's stars.
There you go.
Oh, my eyes hurt from kind of
Cool. You're gonna get one there too.
Now we gotta put the marshmallow on.
There you
There you
go.
go. Yeah, we're gonna do it
You
again.
didn't stop a fire.
Wait a minute.
It's And you don't have to put it on all the way. You just gotta put it on.
What, a week?
So it's stay recording. Oh, okay.
Hey,
Yeah, but
you're not allowed to eat the marshmallows.
Only after we're all done.
Chris, you see that?
Yes, Dad, you're not allowed to do that.
Hit it.
Dad, that's illegal.
And then you got
that doesn't mean it's nice to people.
Yay.
Get some them.
You guys gonna go anywhere?
No, she didn't find it. Stop working. But I
You
guess
can't eat all the
work
marshmallows.
on the house.
Or the chocolate.
Sometimes
Or the graham.
Well, I got a marshmallow. We're learning how to make s'mores. You're not allowed to stab bread. Bro. But we are allowed to hit in.
What time is it? 10:30? I'll open it in about another hour and a half.
10:31.
We're allowed to hit.
Well, we gotta give her a marshmallow first.
Well, here, you want to borrow mine? Now hit bread with the marshmallow.
Okay. I'm not going to have any.
Bailey, really?
fine grinder.
I'm gonna. Are you still recording?
Great. Yeah.
I got a marshmallow. You don't. It's a star.
Stars?
Fine welders.
Yeah,
Yeah, they're stars.
they're stars.
They're
They're
stars.
from a car show.
Yeah, special.
Guess
Somebody
what?
loves hit
You
bread.
put chocolate on it.
No.
You like chocolate? No, I like my
No,
marshmallow.
eat that.
Oh, you're just gonna eat it?
Bad bread.
I wanna do it anyway.
It doesn't take one.
Tell Brad stop buying welders.
Oh my God! Stop,
Oh
Billy.
boy,
Yeah, stop buying tires.
that's gonna make
Oh
me
my God,
internet.
mine.
You should see how many
Let's
tires.
hit bread with marshmallows and
How many tires we have at that place? How many have we gotten rid of? We had like 42.
Practice buying more than tires.
Good job.
I know.
I can't believe I got the fire.
I don't think this could go on Facebook.
I made my first s'more ever.
You're putting it on Facebook?
Did you?
I don't know if it can go on Facebook.
It depends how long it is, probably.
And graham crackers.
Thousand truck cars.
Good.
Tom, can you put this up so Andrew can?
Oh, Billy!
Yeah. What do you
So he can.
Got it?
Does he does?
Billy, stop!
got to do something here?
Yeah, you gotta hook this or something.
Don't let it burn.
We can do
It's
something.
probably good.
Stop humping the bed! Leave him alone.
Nope, you got a bullet.
We gotta teach Andrew to do it.
No,
You gotta teach Andrew how to make it s'more.
gotta have a thing.
Are you gonna make
Hang
s'mores
on,
at camp?
hang on.
Not
We
burning
got
this time.
to-
He already said he was.
You'll make one at the house too.
Now you need chocolate and graham crackers.
You'll start making one at the house. Oh, I burned my
Andrew,
marshmallow.
you gotta get your chocolate. You are so all over the map tonight. There you go.
Andrew, what do you say?
Your stick.
Andrew. There you go. Good.
Dad gonna have
Need
one?
help?
Really good.
I captured that.
Yeah.
Throw that one.
Good job, Brad.
Yeah.
Hey, Dylan.
Yeah?
Can you hold this for me while I get it tied? So it doesn't come back down? I'll get it tied. I'll be right back. Here. Right there too. Okay, I'll be right back.
I'm still recording.
It was rusty.
Oh, yeah?
It was rusty.
It was up there.
Attacking each other.
You know,
I'm most likely gonna put it on Facebook
Yeah.
or YouTube. One of those two. That's burnt.
I don't like them burnt.
I took the bird.
Do you want another one?
I like them both.
Do you like a burnt?
surviving.
Do you want another one?
He's still eating.
He's still eating the one he's got.
Okay.
Let's not sugar him up too much.
I'm not. I don't have to do
Another
it.
bite?
Me.
You did.
I'm warm and toasty.
It was right.
I'm coming.
You already ate yours?
No, I'm a grandma.
I'm warm and toasty. I don't know why.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Probably because you're by the fire.
All right, hang tight.
So you're not working Burger King anymore, working at Waffle House? Or you working the grill? Or you waitressing?
I'm a waiter.
Let's see.
I'm a
I
leader.
gotta put this somewhere.
But
It
I,
keeps hurting my head.
I,
That much sweeter.
but sometimes
Like never. I swear to God, I have no idea anymore.
Sometimes when the
I'm
cook,
surprised you guys don't see me crawling here at home at like 7 in the morning.
Aw.
but when the cook is overrun with orders, or like I am, and we're like full, I would take all the orders and then I would jump on the grill to help. And I'm like, what do you need to do?
We can make one on the grill.
I have not been.
It's on fire.
Yeah.
Who's ready for another?
Oh,
Oh, I don't like it like that.
So you get all the.
I'm a weirdo.
No,
No, not this time.
that's nerd shit.
Like that. Yeah.
I'm working. I don't care.
I am getting a drunk people in 2 weeks.
Well, there's a piece already broken.
House start pit.
Okay, that's the best I
We
can
can
do.
make a smart enough house
Should I
start
make
I'm
pit.
gonna melt it a little.
Yes, Jen, you should.
A house
Should.
And I'll capture it on video.
Oh. We need to capture the moment I make a s'more on video.
keeps us warm, right?
God, for future Facebookers. So when aliens come to
I gotta
Earth,
make
they
it a
see,
little bit
oh,
soft,
what
that's
the hell
why I'm
is this
afraid.
shit?
There.
Never go
Turn
wrong.
around.
I did it. Hey.
Good.
Okay, go.
That fire
Okay,
keep me
go,
warm.
go.
You got mark- you got marshmallow all over your face.
You don't care. That means he had a good time. That's right.
It keep me warm.
Brad.
That fire keep me warm.
The fire's
Does
keeping
it?
warm. It feels good, actually.
You gotta put it by the fire for a little bit so it can be really
So I'm not cold and stuff. Huh?
good.
Put it on top of your marshmallow while you stick it in there and let it melt
It's
together.
still hot.
He's got little tar marks coming off.
Oh, you burnt your marshmallow.
Oh, I like burnt marshmallows, actually.
Wanna see my dirt?
My mom gets you.
Thank you for having me out.
Well, yeah.
I didn't have a choice.
Drive those and get one.
And thank you for letting me join the car show tonight.
Well, you're not allowed to go.
I'm going anyway.
I know.
Alright, I don't know if
You're gonna ride
seven
in the
anymore.
Cadillac or the old car?
I'm gonna ride in the old car.
Are you? Oh, good. It doesn't have seatbelts.
That's fine. I rode in it before.
I know. Everybody getting s'mores?
I already had
You
one.
want to make a s'more?
Help Andrew. I need hands.
Help him.
Are you making a
Andrew,
s'more
you
for
like
yourself?
those? What do you think?
He's chewing.
You like the chocolate? Must.
That was a yes, that tiny nod.
You want one?
I'm just trying to keep my
No.
fingers because he's about to bite me.
Billy, you okay? Huh? You should be tired.
He's
Is he
not.
back at it now?
Oh no, he's spent.
Oh my god, you're dead.